If for any reason the outboard bearings, which there's a bearing located here and an internal bearing here, need to be replaced, you will simply remove the screen frame, the rotor assembly out, disengage the set screws on the bearings. This will allow the rotor assembly to freely slide out of the unit. The bearings can be pressed out with this retaining ring removed, the same as on the inside. There is a seal internal that can be accessed at this point. The unit is also equipped with a pivot bearing here, which will need to be re-greased at a regular interval with the Zerk fitting there. If for some reason this bearing needs to be removed, you'll simply remove these hex bolts, disassemble this bracket here, slide this out of the way, the plate can be removed, the bearing can be accessed and reassembled in the opposite manner.